Hey guys, today I'll show you how to transfer your passwords from Dashlane to 1Password safely and correctly. First, open the Dashlane web app and go to My Account, Settings, then Export Data. From there, choose Export to CSV. If prompted, you'll need to enter your master password to confirm the export. Once the file downloads, make sure to keep it in a secure location. It contains all your passwords in plain text. Next, open 1Password in your browser and log into your account. After logging in, click on your profile in the upper right corner, choose Import Data, then select Dashlane from the list of password managers. Read the prompts, map the data correctly, and continue until you are asked to upload your data. Click on Select a File. Then locate and upload your CSV. Once imported, all your logins should now appear in your 1Password vault. After verifying that everything transferred successfully, delete the CSV file immediately from your computer for security. And that's how you transfer passwords from Dashlane to 1Password. Thanks for watching.